Today I'm presenting another Echo Park Crafty haul. Hi, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you my latest haul from Echo Park Paper Company. Now, a while back, I did show you the collection I got, Love Notes. It was right before Valentine's Day. I will put that video up here for you. This is the 6x6 paper pad. Got cute, fun little papers in here. And I can use this for Mother's Day. Absolutely. Cute little cut-aparts. Beautiful colors. I have all these colors. I think that's just too hilarious. Balloons. Very cute. And then it just repeats. Then I also have this darling little Ladybug set. I'll tell you why I got it. I have these adorable little ladybugs that I will be using. I can do sentiment pieces. I can put them inside the card or just wherever on the card. Aren't they cute? That'll be a lot of fun. So look forward to that. And before I get into my collection, I want to just show you these sheets I have. I thought this was really cute, an umbrella pattern. It's from the Here Comes Spring collection, but I just got the one individual sheet. And this is going to be a lot of fun. Something's coming up real soon. It's just really pretty peach on the back. And then this is some cut-aparts from Birthday Salutations. Now, I do happen to have the sticker set for this too, and that will be coming up. As well as birthday boy candles. I think these are very cute. And then this is just some colors to make cards. And I think they'll go pretty well with this. And here's some cute boats. I do have a boat die that I will be using to make a birthday card for a boy. This is Little Dreamer, but I love the boats. And of course, it's got cut-aparts in the back, but I'm going to be using the boats. All right, so let's get into my new collection, Make-A-Wish Birthday Girl. My great niece just had her second birthday, so that made me think that I needed to get more birthday stuff. Here's a sticker sheet. Such cute colors. Bright orange. Oh, look at that. Wow. I love those colors. Love those colors. And here's some dots with some blue behind it. And some big cut-aparts. Oh, look at this. A little confetti or sprinkles on a cake. Oh, look. All the sentiments. There's a real pretty yellow check. And some streamers, banners. There's some cute little shapes, as well as some smaller cut parts. They always make it fun and easy. Here's some pretty green. Look at those presents. Isn't that cute? Oh, wow. And here's some hearts. How adorable. And numbers, candles. Here's some more beautiful colors. And all kinds of cut-aparts. We've got little bitty ones. We've got strips we can put on the bottom of the inside of the card. Oh, that's really pretty. And all over plaid. Confetti. Cute. Pink stars. Balloons. Gorgeous. And I do have some balloon die cuts, which would go well with this. Fantastic. And some candles. Beautiful candles. And some more cut aparts. And here is a beautiful blue. And there's an all-over print of all kinds of goodies. Wow. Nice, nice. And then here's just the front page. How cool is this? I'm going to be doing a lot of birthday cards. So stay tuned for that. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all these fun projects that I'm going to be doing. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.